Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Harmony One, whose current price stands at the $0.02445 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 2.4%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also draw out the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Harmony One from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.016 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction. And if I start my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see here on the daily chart we had been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, also managed to break above key areas of resistances, like the area at around the $0.029 mark. We managed to break above that key area of resistance, and as we are trying to have a retest, the retest was not a success and we lost that key area of support, and we have continued seeing lower prices here on the Harmony One chart. If I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, after making our low at around the $0.016 mark, the price of Harmony One had been pushing to the upper side, making a series of highs, which was an indication that the buyers were trying to push the market higher, making a series of highs. But at some point they lost it to the sellers, who took us back to around the $0.018 mark, and after seeing the low at around the $0.018 mark, we started to push higher once more, and in that movement to the upside we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, continued pushing higher, managed to break above a key area of resistance, and as we are trying to have a retest here on the 4-hour chart also, you can see we lost that key area of support and we have continued pushing to the lower side. And this movement to the upside, I can term it as an Elliot wave structure, having this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of our wave 2. Then we have also continued pushing even high in the formation of our wave 3. Then I also expect to see the formation of our wave 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of our wave 5, which will complete the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1. And that movement to the upside is just a short-term bullish scenario, so I also have bearish scenarios that can play out here on the charts. If I get a little bit into the details of this Elliot wave structure so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out, after seeing our high for that first wave, we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of our wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, we can get to see whether the wave 2 has done the minimum that we expect our wave 2 to do by retracing into the area between the Fib level 0.618 and the Fib level 0.382, which we have done here on the charts. We even overshooted the Fib level 0.382 a little bit. Then we started to see a very nice bounce in the formation of our wave 3, and using a trend based Fibonacci, we can get the target area for that third wave to the upside by connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gives me a target area for that third wave at around the fib level 1.618, that is at around the $0.03683 mark, and I can mark that target area here on the charts like that. So that is the minimum that I expect us to continue pushing higher and get into for us to complete that third wave to the upside. And because our wave 3 is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within a wave 3. I also expect to see a 5 wave to the upside in the wave 3, and that structure we have it here on the charts, having that as the first wave. Then we have seen a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of our wave 2. We have continued pushing even high in the formation of our wave 3, and whatever is in formation over here, this is what is forming our wave 4. Then I would expect us to push higher to maximize our red target area up here within for that third wave to the upside. And I can change the color of this fractal wave within a wave 3 to a different color so that you can see that better. And this is what is going to give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts. Now that we are in the formation of a wave 4, and our wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side by connecting the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. that gives me a minimum retracement area for that fourth wave between the fib level 0.618 and a maximum of the fib level 0.382. And if I remove the fibs, you can see we have maximized our red target area here for that fractal wave within a wave 3, and this is what is going to give me the key scenarios over here. I expected that once we get into this target area, we see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 5 of that fractal wave within a wave 3, and it seems like we have now maximized our target area and we have continued seeing lower prices, and we are just about to get to around the $0.023 mark, which is a key area of support. And at that point, if we continue seeing lower prices and get into that support zone, it's possible that we find support and then have a nice reversal to the upside, continue pushing higher and complete the formation of our wave 5, which I expect us to take us back to around the $0.037 mark. And in case that doesn't happen and we lose that key area of support over here, continue seeing lower prices, in case that happens, then I think my Elliot wave count here on the charts will be invalidated and I will have to adjust my Elliot wave count. And having said so, that gives me the key two possible scenarios that I expect to play out here on this chart. It's possible that the low for that fourth wave within the fractal wave within a wave 3 is in, and soon we might see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of our wave 5. And in case that doesn't play out, I also expect to see lower prices and also invalidate my Elliot wave count. And for that to play out, that move to the lower side to play out, I also expect to see lower prices on the Bitcoin chart and also a decrease here on the Harmony 1 chart. So in case we find more volume here on the Harmony 1 chart, then it's possible for us to continue pushing higher. But for now, I'm a bit bearish on Harmony 1 because things are not looking good at all. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 25 mark, and that means we are in the oversold region and we have massive room for us to support any movement to the upside. Also any movement to the lower side will be supported and we maximize the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we had printed a bearish crossover here and we are continuing to see an increase in the selling volume over here. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and also continue expecting lower prices here on the Harmony 1 chart. So that's all for this video and I'll keep you updated.